Right, we'll get started today. It's Tuesday, March 19th today. As you can see, I'm down $240 on only 7 tickets on very small size. Overall, garbage day for myself. I tried to let one trade work and it didn't work. So that was about $150 loss. And then I had like a 14-cent stop on 1,000 shares. So $240 loss. I only traded one stock, VXRT. I didn't trade anything out of the open because I'll be straight honest with you. I didn't hear my alarm this morning. I don't know what the heck happened. I yeah, I don't know. First time it's happened in a long time here, but anyways, I didn't get on till about 9:30, quarter to 10, so I actually missed the open. And I was watching VXRT. And I just thought if we could get over this $5 area here, I'll show you. I tried a few times up here. We can make a new high. I know it failed here, and that should have been a sign for me not to even test it. But failed the 1 minute breakout here. But if we look at the 5, because I woke up late, I wasn't gonna trade the 1 minute chart. I was just gonna trade the 5, so I anticipated this break here to get over $5 in 494 and had to stop out here for 14 cents, 4 cents bigger than the stop I wanted. And it's actually, sorry, I only took 750 shares here, but I took some risk off because I was late, but this just simply didn't work, and then it dumped here. So that didn't work out. Perfect entry would have been right here. First candle, make a new high on the 5. Could have got in 470, sold $5. It's 30 cents. So stop could have been 20-cent stops. You didn't quite get 40 cents, 2 to 1, but could have managed risk on that trade. Didn't work out. I then took it one more time. I'll show you why here. I took it long here on the 5 minute setup. As you can see, it popped up here. This is where I got in the first time and sold, as it was kind of mainly a descending triangle, and I couldn't get shares to short VXRT. So I thought if it could break above this wedge here, that we could see another push to high day, and I'll ride this one up if it could grind higher. So I got long in the 5 as soon as I seen confirmation it breaking out. I gave it some time. It retested the bottom side and then pushed back up. I then sold half. And then as it came back down here, as soon as it started breaking the triangle here, I got out. Or the wedge, sorry. I got out here. It's kind of it's a descending wedge. So if you would have took a short here, this would have been the perfect trade. As you can see, it dumped all the way down to the 200, but I was hoping I couldn't get nothing short, so I was hoping for a push back up here to over $5. These small caps have been strong lately and grind higher. I was willing to let this thing run a little bit. My stop was a little bigger than expected, but I was willing to give it 20 cents range to make 40 here. Was my target. So as soon as it didn't go my way, I got out. And that was kind of the end of that. As you can see, I got in 29. I actually did not mean to double up here. It's like 2 seconds later, I added again. I actually did not mean to even hit the button, but my finger kind of just clicked it. So it doubled up. And 4 minutes later, I sold almost half. If I would have sold the full thing, it would have been an okay winner. And then I held the rest on my initial setup down to $4 stop. So maybe I shouldn't have turned that into a loser. I should have stopped out break even, but I actually didn't mean to get in 1,000. So once I was out 500, I thought I'm gonna let this trade work on my setup I was watching. It then broke. This $5 area here on my triangle. As you can see, I'll try to zoom in a little bit. Can't really see it there, but right there I got out as soon as it started breaking this wedge here, bottom side. Yeah, that was it for today. Kind of a bigger loss than I wanted, but $240 loss overall, 5 green days in a row till today. So kept my losers, I guess, before my max loss, small size, plainly just didn't work. 2 losing trades in a row. I quit for the day. Didn't hear the alarm. Kind of a bad start. I probably shouldn't have traded, but we'll leave it at that, guys. Thanks.